Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the format of the GPS location on your Garmin Instinct. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is hold down the menu button to bring up the menu. From there we'll go down to Settings, press the GPS button to select it. In Settings we'll scroll all the way down until we see System. Select System. Once in System, go ahead and scroll down until you see Formats. Select Format. And then from here, we'll go down all the way until we see Position Format. Select that. Now in the first option, this is where you can change the format of the GPS location. I had a question on one of my Instinct videos about how to change the format to MGRS, which is Military Grid Reference System. And we do that by just going to Format, and then we'll scroll all the way down until we get to the M's, and we'll see MGRS. Right there. So then we just select it, and then that's your new GPS format. So that's how you change the format of the GPS position on your Garmin Instinct. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.